Well, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We are off yet again on a nice lovely ride around the peaks. We've got myself, Bill, Neil and Paul Niven in tow today. We have been waiting on Sim and Attar. Well, we're coming up to the first lane of the day. Would always like to say this is an easy lane, but you never know with the weather we've had. Trees. That's the first lane done. Not brought my glasses out, have I? Bugger! There you go. Oh, slippy underfoot. It's been a while since I've ridden a big bike when it's been so slippy. That was a little bit slippy as well. The leaves, you got to be careful, these bloody leaves. The buggers. You alright? So considering the weather we had, not yesterday, day before, we've got a nice clear sky. Gates, don't you just love them? Gates. Come on, chaps. Yeah. Fuck's sake. Got it working, yeah? Yeah. Brought Macarena that time on a little KTM 390. It's nice up here, beautiful in the summer. Yeah, we're going along here and record a bit of recording. This gate open. Oh, beauty. It's open. Well, just ask him if Neil just wants to just mosey onto the Buxton Old Road now. Shall we just go to Buxton Old Road now?
Right, okay.
Yeah, and then we get into the heart of it then, won't we? We're heading to Buxton Old Road now. I've not actually done this for a while. Well, I've not done it on a big bike since before my accident. Well, a bit nerve-wracking to be fair. Just crackers in it, because all these lanes he's just doing me stride. Madness. Madness. Oh, a bit washed out here in places. Okay, how's it going? Fancy going through all that bloody water. There's another lane I brought Macarena on. I'll say, so I've not done this for a while. You alright? Oh, that done. I'm nearly done, should I say. Yeah, see, mad innit? Not done that on a big bike before since my accident.
Oh, how'd you find it?
And alright, I was nerve wracking though.
Yeah.
It's mad innit?
Yeah, yeah.
That's why I've cut that one out. I hope you don't mind. I cut that one out,
Yeah.
the other one, because I thought,
Yeah, I know.
just not ready.
Yeah.
Right, what do you want to do now? Nip to the garage and just see if we can get hold of him. If not, then we'll just carry on.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah? Goes onto the golf course road. Oh, let's see if I can get a recording of them coming along. There's some deep puddles along here now. Woohoo! Little bell on the little rooster ahead. deep. Deep, deep, deep. Ah, Bill on the rooster! He's had me. So the reason why he's had me is because I wanted to show you that view there. Look at that. That's where we're heading. Into that quarry. You can see the lane. You can only just see the lane on the right. So now we are going to pick up Neil's route now. Neil's route did start in Chapel Henry Frith. Yeah, you? Well, it's good to get out, isn't it?
Yeah.
You forget what it's all about though, that's the problem, Joe. If you've not been out for ages, sometimes it's easier just to say, ah, fuck it, I'm not going out.
Yeah.
But when you are out, you think, Jesus Christ, I need to get out more. This is the climb off the main road. Like this one here. Oh, not too bad. Wait for the doggies. I was never like this bend. Not a lie. Oh, there's some standing water. This is the bit where it's all changed now. Never used to be like this. It was very poor, this. Bill's up front there on the little rooster, showing us how it's done. So I've been along here 3 times since I've changed it all and I still don't really know it. You've just got to be careful. You get going and yeah, you get going and you're off. I don't know where Paul is. He's got to have dropped it or something because he's not that slow. Oh, he's here. He's here. So there's some deep water, isn't there, along there?
Yeah, there is, yeah.
Bill is off. He's off. It's old Bill. I've got to be losing my marbles, mate, because don't matter how many times I come along these lanes, I can never remember where they bring us out. I know the lanes. If I had to, I suppose if I had to piece one together as I was riding, I wouldn't be able to, but I just can never remember where this brings us. There you go. Ah, yeah, I know where we are now. Yeah, this is bringing us to a lane up here on the right, where in the summer the young lady from the farm has a bit of a cafe going on. I don't think she'll be there today in this weather, but you never know. Yeah, it's called Dodge the Puddle Day. Dodge the puddles. Woo! Good line that, I like that one. Macarena's done that.
I said to Bill, I said the bigger bags down there are actually better.
A better, yeah.
They're more planted.
Yeah, well when the only, Buxton Old Road, I did on that, on this 300,
Yeah.
and I kid you not, coming halfway down, it's that light, it bounced me across the lane. I had to slow down. I thought, geez, I'm going to end up off here. But like you say, the bigger bikes, they hold it. Oh. I do need some build-ups coming up that again now. You alright? How did you find that on that?
It was alright.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's quite a challenge to start with, you know.
Yeah, yeah. So you get used to it and get into it.
Yeah.
I want to build my strength to go up it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Well, I always say it. That's the good deed of the day done. Never been up here. I don't think I have, anyway. Ah, I know where we're at. Pardon? Yeah, I like that lane. He was struggling.
Yeah.
Thank you. I know this one. Yeah. Nice little lane that. Thank you. All right. This lane now coming up has been resurfaced. It used to be a bit worse than this. Oh, you fucking. Stones. It's a good little lane this. Is there? Right! Road closed. Motorbikes are ace, aren't they? All right, lads. That was washed out at the top there. I used to come up there. I've come up here a few times on big bikes over the years. Done. Yeah, I like cow. There's another three coming. I missed that lane now. Bugger. A few walkers about, isn't there? I tell you what, I couldn't believe earlier on up on the tops how many horses were out.
The thing is, though, there's thousands of miles of public footpaths, but they choose to walk on the road and give you the dirty look.
I know. Well, I've never actually been up here, I don't think, so this might be a new one for me. Then this looks familiar, so we might be coming in a different angle. Yeah, I've not done this one before, unless it's been all resurfaced. Yeah, I think it's been all restoned, hasn't it, this? That bit had anyway. That's deep. That's deep.
That's quite deep, that one.
In this weather. You alright?
Right, the probably turning right, the probably turning left.
What? What happened there? I nearly run it back of you. Paul's handling that 701 alright now. Like he's getting used to it a bit. Look at this here. Washed away here. That's mad. Amazing what water can do. Well, just saying to Neil then, that was the first lane I did on the day of my accident, that lane. On my 1290. Typical, the battery went flat halfway along it, but hey ho.
I'm going to split at Buxton, mate.
Alright, no worries.
Okay,
Alright, yeah, welcome.
Good, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Get out again.
Yeah.
Over Christmas or something.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. It's had bank on it. Well, I'll speak to you later.
Yeah, I'll speak to you. Yeah, there is next year. I've just come through Bakewell. 3 o'clock. Paul's done one because he lives this side. So it's just me, Bill and Neil now. Obviously, this route has been a big loop. So we are on the back leg of the loop now.
Right?
Yeah.
He's gone.
Yeah, it's gone, yeah. I hate this lane.
You love it?
I hate it.
Oh, you hate it.
Fucking like this. Oh, I hate it. Yeah. I'm not it's a good lane, but I'm not a big fan of it. There's too many whoops for me. Doesn't agree with my hip, this lane. What hey ho. Slippy slide it. What's up?
Oh, fuck the old boots. Upto, Neil.
How you doing?
Oh, happy birthday, Bill.
Alright.
How are you, Bill?
You got it wrong with it.
Yeah, I know. How you doing, mate? It's your birthday.
Yeah, it's your birthday.
Well, I'll be fucked. What's the date today? 16th.
I won't have a clue.
Yeah, I was on the 12th.
Have you had a good day, Atta?
Yeah.
How old are you?
Yeah?
56.
Good.
I thought it was going to be a bit cold, but when the sun was out, it was brilliant, wasn't it?
Yeah. Quite chilly, like it.
I did actually say back there on the video, now we've virtually nearly finished, I bet we'd bump into you.
Yeah. Well, I called up there, I thought he looks a lunatic, I'm keeping all the left.
Well, I just seen the rally moto thing, I thought, that's Nobber. There he is.
Oh, we've had a right day, haven't we?
It's been alright.
But where you were and where we were 4
Too
miles
far.
miles.
Yeah, too far. Oof, there's a fair old branch on my head. Boulders sticking up everywhere here. I don't see what all them boulders are about personally there, but hey ho. Cheers, mate. He's coming.
One more.
Yeah, one more. Woo.
I've been saying, fucking hell, there's no flies. My visor's lovely and clear. So it just went,
Oh no, yeah.
everything.
He's a nightmare. He does not give a fuck. He's a good rider though.
Opportunity, I'll pay him back.
Oh yeah, I know. Well, that's what it was like last week at Kilda. He started filling me in and I went, right, fucking, that is it. Gloves are off. Yeah, say he got lucky though. He'd just gone like that
Yeah,
and a big rock just went boom.
yeah,
Yeah, off mine.
yeah.
Lucky that, innit? Well, that's me done. Been a good day, enjoyed it. The weather has held out, which is always a bonus. So yeah, if you stuck with me to the end, big thank you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.